real estate, as we saw from the report very clearly, is the US approximately $79 billion last year. Okay, and as per FICCI, that will go to close to $140 billion by 2017. So as the industry grows, we are sure the advertising spends will also grow. Um, Digital advertising is still a very small component of advertising. The chunk of that, 75% of the spends go on print, but digital is growing rapidly. So we expect that to grow rapidly over the next 3 years. We were consistently seeing for the last 2-3 years that search queries on Google search related to real estate were growing. So in fact, they have grown 3x in 3 years, in the last 3 years. One was that. Second, when we did a great online shopping festival last year in December 2013, we saw that some of the builders were able to sell apartments in that 3-day online shopping festival. So in fact, 55 apartments were sold in those 3 days in the online festival. And then there was this third FICCI report which came, which said that the real estate is going to double over the next 3 years. So combine these three things, we realize that internet is playing a role in the decision making of buying or renting an apartment or a house. So we said, let's understand why is the customer using it, and if he's using internet, is he happy with the content which is available on the internet? And so that was the primary reason we decided to do this research. So from our point of view, I think search engine performs well. If you are looking for anything on search engine, we provide you the connection to multiple websites. We expect that after this report, where there are multiple recommendations to builders, developers, aggregators, and online brokers, they will improve their content on their website, which will ensure that the customers, what they're expecting, be it in terms of accuracy of information, or detailed information, or amenities, or anything around the apartment or the flat which we want to buy, that content will improve on the websites of all these players. And if that happens, that is what the customer is looking for, and we are hopeful that will work. There's a way of defining an industry. Now, it can be an organized or an unorganized, but I think the size of the industry is significant, and that is what should matter. There are so many players that there's always going to be, whether it is organized or not organized. But India is a huge country, so I think $79 billion is a big industry.